Hi, friends! Welcome to the last week of school before the holiday break. I hope you get to do some fun stuff with your families, maybe with some friends. I know COVID is probably making your Christmas a little bit different this year, like it is for me, but I really hope you all have a really nice holiday. Enjoy your time off, relax, get some sleep, and I will see you after the holidays. For this week, your goal is to finish your flash fiction story and get that turned in. It's worth 35 points and it's in the summative category, so it will affect your grade. Make sure that you proofread, proofread, proofread. It's really important that you read over your story multiple times, maybe out loud, in your head. The more you read it, the more likely it is that you'll catch any errors that you have. Maybe have someone else read it as well. Maybe you can have a friend read it, a family member. It really helps to have some more than just one pair of eyes look at it. So do your best on it and get that turned in by Wednesday. Just a quick reminder, when you turn it into the spot where you're supposed to turn it in, the flash fiction assignment, there's this rubric here, so you can look on here and see all the things that you're getting graded on. So before you submit it, just make sure you have all these things done. Do you have characters that are developed well? Do you have a conflict? Is there examples of dialogue? Do you have good spelling and grammar? Do you have some good strong word choices? Did you use your thesaurus to find some good word choices? And then it should be about 1 to 2 pages. If you need anything, please, please, please feel free to reach out to me. I am here and I really want to help you out. It'd be great to get you where you want to be as far as your grades go before you leave for the holiday break. So let me know how I can help you. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Have a great week.